Are you looking for the best budget exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best budget exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Schwinn IC4. The Schwinn IC4, also known as the Bowflex C6, is a fantastic budget exercise bike that competes with the biggest home fitness names. It is a spin bike with a commercial gym or spin studio look and feel, with an exercise quality to match. This sturdy model has a 40-pound weighted flywheel and offers 100 micro-adjustable smooth, quiet magnetic resistance levels. The 100 resistance levels offer a massive range of difficulty suitable for all fitness levels and rider goals. This connected smart bike has a display for manual workouts, and it can also sync to your device through a Bluetooth connection to work with apps like Peloton, Zwift, JRNY, and explore the world for at-home studio and virtual workouts. A monthly fee is required to use any of these apps, which will likely be worth it for users who want the in-home studio or virtual training experience. We found the IC4 quite comfortable, with ample fit adjustments and a performance-oriented race-style seat. User-friendly features like bottle cages, hand weights, a USB charging port, a Bluetooth heart rate armband, and dual-function SPD cage pedals enhance the user experience. Number 2. Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. The Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike is an affordable upright spin-style model. It features a belt-driven 35-pound weighted flywheel with an infinite resistance adjustment range. It looks and rides like a spin bike you might ride at the gym, offered at a reasonable price. The considerable resistance range suits riders of all fitness levels or workout intensities. It boasts a fairly high comfort level with a quality seat and a good seat and handlebar height adjustment range. The assembly process is straightforward, and the unit can easily move around on its transport wheels. The steel frame is sturdy, and this bike is stable, no matter how hard you mash the pedals. It also includes useful features like cage pedals, a device shelf, and a water bottle cage. Number 3. Marcy Recumbent ME709. For a simple and effective recumbent exercise bike offered at a very reasonable price, look no further than the Marcy ME709. This affordable model boasts a high comfort level with an easy step-through design, a large padded seat and backrest, and a padded handlebar. It has 8 magnetic resistance levels and is best suited for exercise in the light to moderate intensity range. The display is nothing fancy, but it shows pertinent workout information with relatively intuitive controls. The ME709 is adjustable for length to accommodate a broad user height range, plus it has transport wheels, a smaller footprint, and a lower weight than other recumbents we have tested. Number 4. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright is an inexpensive semi-recumbent budget exercise bike with a convenient folding design. This bike provides a quality workout experience at nearly half the cost of the competition, with a simple and no-frills design that gets the job done. It has 8 smooth and quiet magnetic resistance levels for workouts ranging from easy to moderate in difficulty. The simple console has a liquid crystal display and a single button to control your workout information. The large padded seat is reasonably comfortable and has padded handles around the console with integrated heart rate sensors. The simple folding design significantly reduces its footprint when not in use, and can easily fit in a closet or a corner. It is also relatively lightweight and has integrated transport wheels, making it easy to move around. Number 5. DeskCycle Under Desk Exerciser. The DeskCycle is all about convenience. This small pedal exerciser can be placed under your work desk, allowing sedentary office workers to burn calories while improving their fitness and overall well-being. But it's not limited to desk use, you can also use it anywhere you can sit and free your legs. Whether reading a book or watching TV, this exercise is a great way to multitask and improve time efficiency. It comes with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, offering a decent range of difficulty that should be more than enough for users who seek the convenience of an exerciser like the DeskCycle. Testers were pleasantly surprised by the quality of exercise they got despite its diminutive size. The magnetic resistance is also very quiet and produces minimal noise distraction when used in the office or home. It is also the most portable and easy to store option we've ever used because it is small and impressively lightweight.